Okay, in this video I would like to demonstrate how do we clap the rhythm. Now usually when you see a note, especially the quarter note, you will clap, okay? And when you see a rest, you use open hand gesture to represent the rest. So here this little excerpt I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the reason I'm counting 4 is because the time signature says 4 beats per measure, and the bottom 4 represents a quarter note receives 1 beat, and this is a quarter rest. That's why that also receives 1 count. Okay. Here's another example. We have some longer notes. We have a half note, which should hold for 2 counts. Okay, and we have a whole note, which means we need to hold that for 4 counts. So when I clap this, I use the shake to represent the extra count that's supposed to hold that particular note. So here for the half note, I shake once after I clap, so that's 2 counts in total. And here for the whole note, I will be clapping and shake for 3 more times. So the total duration for the whole note is 4 counts. Okay, so just to demonstrate this exercise, I will start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one more example. Here I have a half rest. Okay, just like a half note, a half rest has 2 counts in value. So here I should open my hand twice to keep the half rest in time. Okay, so for example, from the beginning, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have an example in 3, 4. So the 3 on top tells us there are 3 beats per measure. The bottom 4 tells us a quarter note receives 1 count. Quarter rest is just the same as a quarter note. Also here we have a dotted half note. It's a half note plus a dot on the side. That note receives 3 count. In general, a dot adds half of the value of the note. So the note is 2 count and the dot adds 1 count. On top of that, this quarter note comes before the bar line. You're supposed to have 3 counts in every measure. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, that's normal, but here we only have 1 single quarter note before a full measure. This is called a upbeat. So when you have an upbeat, usually you should count the entire measure and start the note or the rest on the note, on the beat that is presented. So in this case, this is the last beat of the measure. So this should be beat 3. I will prepare myself with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Okay, so when you have 2 lines, you do the first line first, and then continue to the second line. Okay, I hope these examples demonstrate how you should count and clap the notes and the rests.